Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're cooking jambalaya. In this skillet we have carrots, onion, bell pepper, we have sausage, we have ground turkey, and we have grilled chicken. And later on we'll be adding those shrimp right there to the meats. It doesn't take long to cook, so we have to add that in last. But yeah, we're gonna make a wonderful meal, jambalaya, and it's gonna be very good. And this is a quick meal that we're cooking. It doesn't take long at all. We did add seasoning into it. We add some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little Creole seasoning to it. In this pot we have the Zatarain's jambalaya, and we just cooked it according to whatever the package said, and it's doing good. Right now we're going to cut up some tomatoes and add it to our dish. And we'll be back. Okay, we're adding the shrimp to the dish.
As my husband would say, Lord Jesus.
And we're going to get those all cooked up.
We don't play around our kitchen when we're cooking.
Right.
Everything is looking good. It's almost time to add the rice to the pan.
Big cooking going on.
I'm just stirring everything and getting it all incorporated together.
Big cooking. Big cooking.
This is the rice. It's getting to where we want it. Looking good.
What you gonna do?
Alrighty, time for the grand finale. The jambalaya zatarans from rice. We're adding to the meats and everything. So all he's gonna do now is finish emptying the rice into the dish and get it all stirred up and looking delicious. And I can't wait to eat it. Mm-mm-mm. Now it's time to stir. We enjoy bringing these meals to you guys, and we just thank you a lot for coming to our channel and watching us cook these meals and everything. And we just want to tell you thank you for watching. Have a good night.
Just two of us, that's the way how we cook. We roll heavy when we cook, you know. Yeah, that's the right menu. And in my kitchen, if you ever need me for any catering, just holler at my wife and my price is right. This is the rights. Thank you.